Tablet repair experts can revive your tablet. In today's fast-paced world, tablets have become indispensable tools for work, entertainment, and communication. Often, tablet repair is necessary to restore the optimal function of these versatile devices. Spiridon Geha plays a vital role in ensuring your tablet runs smoothly in this comprehensive guide on tablet repair. Tablet repair. A comprehensive overview. According to Spiridon Geha, tablet repair encompasses the process of identifying and resolving issues that can impede the tablet's performance and functionality. It can be physical damage, such as cracked screens, or software-related, like frozen screens or app crashes. Spiridon Geha offers the expertise of a professional when more complex problems require troubleshooting and repair. Common tablet problems. 1. Screen damage. Cracked or shattered screens are among the most prevalent tablet issues. A simple accidental drop can lead to screen damage, affecting both the visual display and touchscreen functionality. 2. Battery problems. Tablets heavily rely on their batteries, which can deteriorate over time or encounter issues like rapid drainage, failure to hold a charge, or overheating. 3. Software glitches. Tablets may suffer from software issues such as freezing, crashes, or unresponsive touch screens. These problems can be attributed to incompatible apps, corrupted files, or operating system glitches. 4. Connectivity problems. Tablets can face connectivity issues with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular networks, causing disruptions in internet connectivity and device pairing. 5. Button malfunctions. Physical buttons, like the power button or volume control, may become unresponsive or get stuck due to regular wear and tear. Repair options. When your tablet faces problems, you have several avenues for repair. DIY repair. If you possess some technical know-how, you can attempt to address minor issues independently. Online tutorials and guides can assist in troubleshooting and resolving common problems like software glitches, app crashes, or minor hardware concerns. However, proceed with caution, as DIY repair attempts can sometimes worsen the issue. Manufacturer's warranty. If your tablet is still under warranty, the manufacturer may cover the repair costs. It is crucial to review the warranty's terms and conditions to understand what is included and what is not. Professional repair services. For more intricate issues or when your tablet is no longer under warranty, it is advisable to seek professional repair services. Experienced experts like Spiridon Geha have the knowledge and tools required to diagnose and rectify a wide range of tablet issues, from screen replacements to motherboard repairs. Third-party repair shops. Independent repair shops are also an option, often offering competitive pricing and swift turnaround times. However, it is essential to ensure that the technicians at these shops are certified and reputable, as unqualified repair attempts can lead to further damage. Spiridon Geha and the role of professionals. Professionals like Spiridon Geha play an integral role in tablet repair. They possess the training and experience needed to diagnose and rectify various tablet issues, ensuring a high level of expertise and professionalism. Here are several reasons to consider professional repair services. Expertise. Professionals like Spiridon Geha are well versed in tablet technology and repair techniques. They can accurately diagnose the issue and apply the most suitable solution, reducing the risk of further damage. Quality parts. Reputable repair professionals use high-quality replacement parts, ensuring that your tablet functions optimally after the repair. Low-quality or subpar components can lead to recurring issues. Warranty. Many professional repair services offer warranties on their work, providing peace of mind that if the issue resurfaces, it will be addressed without additional costs. Time efficiency. Professionals can often complete tablet repairs more swiftly than DIY attempts or waiting for the manufacturer's repair service. This results in less downtime for your device. Data preservation. Tablets often store important data, and professionals take precautions to safeguard your data during the repair process. This can be crucial for individuals and businesses alike. Conclusion: tablets have become integral to our daily lives, and when they encounter problems, tablet repair becomes a necessity. While DIY repair may suffice for minor issues, more complex problems are best left to professionals like Spiridon Geha and other certified technicians. They offer expertise, quality parts, warranties, and data preservation, ensuring that your tablet operates at its best once again.